Okay, so I'm going to be um, showing you how to code GPT AI Assistant. Okay, so from my Pictoblox. So the first thing is, as you can see, Sprite Toby is already here. So you just start by uh, calling in the function or the object for Chat GPT. So you write GPT, which is the variable that will be holding the chat uh, Chat GPT. Yes. Okay. So the next thing is to prepare your text to speech, because you want that whenever the user put a text, it will give you whatever you are looking for, then it will convert it to text to speech as well. Okay, so we use TS as the variable for text to speech, and we're going to write the function for it for the text to speech. So it's text to speech. Text to speech is here already. Okay, this the text to speech function. This text to speech. Okay, next we're going to, we want them, so we now have the chat GPT and the text to speech. What we want to do now is to receive input from the user. And the variable for storing that input or for holding that input, you are going to call it a prompt. Prompt is equal to sprite.input. This is the input for holding the users and input. Okay, so whatever question you want to ask, for me, I want to ask, what would you like to ask? What would you like to ask? Okay, so next I'm going to, okay, so whatever the answer is, I'm going to be asking, so whatever the users ask will be sent to ChatGPT. So we ask it on ChatGPT. So how do we do that? Okay, we say GPT dot ask on ChatGPT. Ask on ChatGPT. Okay. Okay. So this take two arguments. First one is AI assistant, and the second argument is what you're asking. Remember that what the user is asking is held by the variable prompt. So I'm going to be putting prompt there. Okay. So whatever is asked will be sent to ChatGPT for it to ask for it. Then whatever the answer is, we need to store it. We need to potentially put a variable to hold whatever the answer is. So let's call it answer. Ans. Ans is equal to GPT dot chat GPT. Chat GPT results. Chat GPT result. So this will be holding the result that has been asked. Okay, so our result that has been asked is now in the answer. Okay, so now that we have the answer, what do? We want to output it on our sprites. So we say sprite dot c to output the answer for us. And what is the sprite outputting? It's outputting what is in the ans already. So ans. Now that the answer is outputted, if we run this code, the answer will be outputted, but we want you to translate it back to speech as well so that you hear it as a speech. So we say TS, because we have our code for text to speech here already. We have the function. So TS dot speak. And what is it speaking? It's speaking the answer that was given here. Okay, so as it comes out as a text, it will be given as this speech as well. So let's run this and see. So I run it. What would you like to ask? I will say, where is Nigeria? And let's answer. Nigeria is located in West Africa.